guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is how to earn money by sharing links on Facebook. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest videos on it. Also press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our every new video. Let's get started. So how to earn money by sharing links on Facebook? There are several options, but number one is affiliate marketing. Companies want to sell out their products to market, and a lot of advertising and marketing is done. Most advertisers tend to rely on affiliate marketing, paying them a commission on the products purchased from their advertising. That's the basis of affiliate marketing. You make money posting referral links for companies and earn a commission for every sale you make as an affiliate marketer. So how does this concept exactly relate to everything earning money by sharing links on Facebook page? Let me get right into it with these pro tips. Research extensively on what people are interested in the moment. You can use Google Trends to come up with some ideas. Find a site like Offer that gives you link you can share. Use Facebook groups and Facebook Marketplace related to research to share the links instead of your messages board. Number two is sell your own products to make money online. When selling other people's product, when you can sell your own, one of the benefits of online selling is low startup cost. As soon as you identify the product you want to sell, all you need is capital. There will be no need to have a physical store because your online store could run 24/7 anyway. With a broader target audience and more people buying from your Facebook stores, you can start to get paid for sharing on Facebook. Contest. Some companies and websites give opportunities for you to make money posting links on Facebook. There is almost no cost implication for participating, so all you need to do is follow the instructions given by sharing your link to Facebook. Number four is start a blog and get paid by posting links to blog posts. If blogging is what you like to do, why not get a blog started and make some money out of it? As your blogs grow and attracts traffic, you can share the links on Facebook and make money from the ads and referral links. Number five is add advertising to your video. If you have huge following on Facebook because of your video content, or you just like posting videos on the platform, adding advertisement to your video would be the best way to make money sharing ads on Facebook. Have you ever been scrolling through YouTube, but before you start or watch the video, an ad pops up that you can skip? You can be able to use the same concept by adding short advertisement to your videos. If someone happens to come across your video and see the ad, you get to earn some money, and you don't have even need to take any action on it. Just seeing the ad is enough. Number six is get refer a friend bonuses. Referring a friend to a service that you know and love may be the easiest way to earn money by sharing links. You may have already seen this with apps like Uber, where you get a discount if you recommend a friend. If not, let me show you how it works. Find a website, offer a referral bonus services, copy the unique links that it's shown, paste it on your Facebook messaging board groups, encourage people to use your link. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel. So take care, goodbye.